do car stuff today. Welcome back. It's been a long time. I have been a little bit preoccupied at a new shop that I'm in. We've been putting this video off way too long, or at least the beginning of hopefully maybe a series, maybe a short series, maybe a longer series. I don't know. I never know. I don't even know how I'm starting off this video. But today we're going to be working on a Supra. His Supra. We have other stuff going on it, but tonight we're going to be starting with a AP Racing big brake kit.
Bro, is that a Supra?
Bro, is that a Supra?
What?
What?
Yo, what are you guys doing on this?
We are doing a brake job. Just, you know, a little upgrade. Come take a look.
Dude, that's sick. Is this a big brake kit?
You could say that.
Wow.
It's a 6-piston AP Racing road kit with 380mm rotors with some nice new counterspace garage pads.
Wow, those pads are sick, man.
Put your hand on it.
Oh, may I?
Yeah, put your hand on it.
Wow.
Yeah. Touch it. Caress it.
Look at these pads. They're
Look
sick.
at them.
Dude, these pads are rad, man.
Dude, you got sweaty, hot fingers
I'm
leaving
wearing
fingerprints.
a fucking hoodie, dude. What do you expect?
Introduce yourselves.
I'm Zach.
And
That's my Supra.
that is his Supra.
I'm Kento. I'm just a random guy.
Zach. Kento's hiding behind me. He's also the tuner for Counterspace Garage. You are the HG Sport spokesperson. Ah.
Oh yeah, guys. Welcome
Oh.
let me just show you HG.
Dang,
This is the
official.
shop where we doing this
Official. So HG Motorsports graciously let us use the shop. This is also my place of work, and these are my bays. It's only been an hour. We're finally getting to it. It's fine. It's fine. Everything's fine.
That's hard to look in.
Look how small and vulnerable I am.
Exactly.
What? I'm the small and vulnerable one. I'm part. What?
Ooh!
Someone
said it.
You added the chubby
We
part?
just talked about this earlier when I was here. And
I don't. The internet doesn't need to know I'm chubby.
I'm still.
All right, we have the rotor off, and if you're wondering about the size difference, it's a little bit bigger. You know, just a little bit. I mean, I totally could have just like thrown it on. It would have made for good content. People would be like, "What's wrong with you?" Everything. Everything's wrong. You're. Soccer would probably be a good idea for this, but nope. No. Okay, hold on. We're smarter than this. Smarter than this. You want to use a torque wrench, especially for brakes, because you really want to be able to trust your brakes. You can add all the power in the world, but if you can't stop, you're dead. That's kind of a bummer. So, torque wrench, torque specifications. It's a good thing. Take the extra time, look it up, buy a torque wrench. All right, now that we have the rotor on and the bracket on, and we verified that the caliper fits with the heat shield without any modification, which surprises me. I mean, usually I have to cut heat shields, bend them out of the way, whatever, just to make the rotor fit. So the more stuff you have to modify, or the less stuff you have to modify, the better, because then it truly is a direct replacement. So now that everything's good, we verified that everything fits, it's probably, well, not probably, now's the time where we load up the calipers. I have your brake pedal down 30 millimeters, and nothing's leaking out of the line.
That's cool.
Yeah, pretty sweet trick.
All right, now, because we're good people, we're going to need to look up the torque spec for the caliper bracket bolts, and it looks like that's not it. We're not there yet. We're getting there, though. We want to go down a little. There we go. 14 foot-pounds.
We got the kit on the car now. Looks pretty good. Note to self. These little guys in here are really sharp, and they'll cut right through your glove. So just be aware. Don't mess around with things with your hands and get them all bloody and messed up. That's it for today's episode. Couple more things coming soon. Well, tomorrow for me, maybe in a week or two for you. And then it's time for the dyno. So stay tuned for more Supra updates. And yeah, thanks for watching. Zach, say bye.
Thank you for watching. Goodbye.
Yeah, goodbye.
You might cut that part out.
I'm not editing anything out. This is all going in there.
Is this because you want them to see it raw?
I
Or
just
because
want
you just don't want to edit it?
No. It's just better to show people that I too am a flawed individual.
They already know that from watching your other videos.